Korean brand, made place or England. It's not England as well. Maybe mga kabayo, so we're going to Myeongdong. So we are from Dongjak. So Dongjak is like 7 stops. 7 stops going to. Alright. Like 7 stops. Going to what you call this? Myeongdong. Myeongdong.
Yesterday.
Yep. Myeongdong. We're going to Myeongdong. Alright. Oh, there's a long train. Look at that. Bound to Myeongdong. We're bound to Myeongdong. Myeongdong. Let's go. Myeongdong. Okay. Hey. 7 stops. Seven stops. Nearly. We're going to Myeongdong. Myeongdong Station. We're in Myeongdong Station. Good. Myeongdong Station. We are. So we're going to take the exit number 2. Number 2, baby. Okay. Oi. Yeah. She's jogging. That's it. Exit number 2. Exit number 2. That's it. Exit number 2. Yeah. So this is Myeongdong. Myeongdong.
Ganda na ito pero pinaganon ka na pa. Ang ganda na ito pero pinaganon ka na pa.
Yeah, ha. So welcome to Myeongdong. There's another Myeongdong.
10,000 is 900.
No.
9,000.
10,000 like 5 pounds something. Yeah. That's fine. Andito naman tayo mamayang gabi. Yeah. Okay. Oo. Yung dumi. Okay.
9,300.
Ayan, tiga. So, Myeongdong Community Service to Namsan Elementary School. Are we coming? Okay. Okay. Resurfacing yung Yan talaga. Handa nyo lang para at least. We're out. We're out. We're out. This is Myeongdong now. Oops. Okay. Welcome to Myeongdong. So where are we going?
Doon merong bingsu.
So, nandito kami nung gabi.
I see you when I see you. Oh,
Abay.
Okay. Oh no. Wow.
5 p.m. yung Dong subway exit 2 outside. Si Lucy.
Lucy.
Lucy!
So we're waiting for Lucy for our tour.
And then we're gonna call her.
Okay, mga kabibes. So that's it.
Station exit 2.
We are already here in Myeongdong. Wow. So maybe tonight we are going to go to the market. But as of now, we are waiting for our tour. Yeah. So that's it. So once again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This building is the let's do that.
Boys, picture not allowed.
Hoy! Hoy! Okay, so welcome to Myeongdong Market. For you.
你把我丢在那里，我自己一个人怎么办？
Oh!
Ay, wala po. Hello, Joy? Hello? Yeah. Andito sa Kmart. Dito sa may gitna. Diba na may bumalik kami? Ang ganda.
Mag-right turn to Lute. Wants to pull it for two.
That's tourist price.
That's why. 2,100. Any bid?
No, thank you.
13,000.
Maar ik weet. Sayur na upod. Sayur na upod.
Ito yung mga itaas na sa atin yun. Kung magka-alang-alang pa. Hindi ito eh.
Pagkatino.
Yeah, this is the proper market of Myeongdong. Yeah, Myeongdong. That's it. Maybe not yet.
Hindi deh, bukan baru mau pulang Heija.
So it's like this one, this one. grilled rib.
Pero y si vamos al mismo que habíamos ido la otra vez.
So the same barbecue grill skewers.
Ito yung almond store.
Don't you know my name?
The light.
Oh yeah, yeah.
This is the one, yeah? The North Face. North Face. Would you be the same?
Is it a Korean brand? North Face or England?
It's not Indian as well. Maybe from Black Forest Coffee. Megs. It might be this one. Lifefort Coffee. Pretty good pansit.
Cold na.
Yeah.
Wala, there's a taxi.
Okay, let's go over here.
Dapat ko na pharmacy dyan.
Dia coffee. Dia coffee. Yeah, dia coffee.
Is that coffee, your coffee always beside you?
Galing.